The power of one step. Starting your journey today. Every great journey begins with a single step. It's a simple truth, yet it holds the power to change your life. The dream you've been holding on to, the goal you've been imagining, it all starts here, with one step. Starting is the hardest part. It's easy to get lost in the what-ifs. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if I don't make it? Fear whispers that you should stay where you are, that it's safer here, in the comfort of the known. But fear is a liar. The only way to conquer it is to move forward. A single step may seem small, but it holds infinite power. It's not just a movement. It's a decision, a declaration that you're ready to try, to grow, to begin. The first step doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be big. It just needs to happen, because that first step creates momentum, and momentum can change everything. The path ahead won't be easy. There will be obstacles, doubts, and days when you feel like giving up. But remember this, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Progress is not about perfection. It's about persistence. The journey is where you'll find your strength, your growth, and your purpose. One step can change everything. It can inspire others, open new doors, and create a ripple effect you never imagined. When you take that first step, you're not just moving forward. You're showing others that they can too. Your courage becomes their spark. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, or the perfect you. Take the step now, exactly as you are. Your journey doesn't require perfection. It requires action. And every step you take today is one less step you'll need to take tomorrow. One step. That's all it takes to begin, to move forward, to change your life. The power is in your hands, right here, right now. Take the step. Your journey starts today. Every great achievement, every grand adventure, begins with a single step. Yet so often we find ourselves frozen. Not because we lack the ability, but because we doubt the power of that first move. We tell ourselves, I'm not ready yet. We wait for the perfect moment, the perfect conditions, the perfect version of ourselves to appear. But while we wait, the world moves forward. Dreams fade. Opportunities slip away. The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. There will never be a day when all fear disappears, when all doubts vanish. The only thing you need is the courage to begin. Starting may seem small, even insignificant, but it's the spark that ignites the flame. It's the act that sets the wheels in motion. The first step doesn't guarantee success, but it guarantees progress. The first step is never about perfection. It's about intention. It's about showing up for yourself and saying, I'm ready to try. Once you take that first step, something incredible happens. Momentum. One small act leads to another, and suddenly, the mountain that seemed impossible to climb doesn't feel so daunting. With each step forward, you build confidence. You begin to see that progress isn't about giant leaps. It's about consistent movement. It's about showing up every single day, no matter how small the steps may seem. The journey won't always be easy. There will be moments of doubt, days when the world feels heavy, times when the voice in your head says, you can't do this. But remember this, every setback is a chance to rise stronger. Every failure is a lesson, not a verdict. When you keep moving forward, you prove to yourself that you are more resilient than you ever imagined. You learn that obstacles are not walls, they're stepping stones. Your first step doesn't just change your life, it has a ripple effect. It inspires those around you to take their own steps, to face their own fears, and to start their own journeys. By starting your journey, you light the path for others. You become a living example of what's possible when you choose action over hesitation. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Every moment you wait is a moment lost, but every step you take is a moment gained, a moment closer to the life you've imagined. So take the step. Write the first word, lace up the shoes, play the first note. Do the one thing that brings you closer to your dream. Because the power of one step isn't just about beginning, it's about transforming your entire life.